Imagine you've been at your job for 5 years and still feel like you're not moving forward. That's how many people feel. But it doesn't have to be that way. The average employee changes jobs every 4.5 years. But remember, that's the average. You can do better than that. More than 2/3 of people would rather get a promotion at their current company. So why not aim for that? In your first 5 years, you'll be learning the ropes. From 5 to 10 years, you'll become more established and start climbing the ladder. After that, you have a chance to really shine and take on leadership roles. A career development plan is basically a roadmap. You set goals and map out the steps to achieve them. This will help you stay on track and grow. First, set clear goals. Make them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay focused. According to a study by the Harvard Business Review, 92% of people who set goals are more likely to achieve them. So make sure your goals are both challenging and achievable. Develop your skills by tracking your progress. For example, if you want to learn coding, mark each course and certification you complete. This will help you see your progress. Learning a new skill can increase your salary by 15%. So keep learning and growing. Invest in yourself. According to a survey by Forbes, 65% of professionals believe that continuous learning is more important than networking for career growth. So, both are crucial, but learning never stops. The financial impact of career advancement. Skill enhancement versus certification. Your career as a garden, pruning and planting. Q&A, common questions about career development. Continuous learning keeps you updated with the latest industry trends. Periodic review helps maintain a balance between staying current and achieving specific goals. Boosting job satisfaction through career advancement not only improves productivity, but also reduces employee turnover, making it a win-win for both you and your organization. Navigating these stages with strategic planning can help you achieve long-term success and fulfillment in your career. Breaking free from this myth opens up more paths for career growth and development. As you progress in your career, the importance of various skills changes. For example, early on, technical skills are crucial, but as you advance, leadership and communication skills become more important. Join professional groups or attend industry conferences to improve your network. These are great opportunities to meet people and learn new things.